Hey guys, this is Jennifer with the Wiki Natural and JL right here. We went to Walmart again, and I realized something.
What'd you realize, Mom?
We live in the hood.
Haven't I been saying that since the start?
We live in the hood, y'all, so stay tuned. Okay, we're back. We just recently went to a Walmart. I guess it's the neighboring city. I should say we went to the Walmart in the neighboring city. And let's not get into why I don't really like Walmart, but we went there because my husband got this fantabulous light. And you know, we're doing a lot of Zooms now and a lot of online video referencing and all that stuff, video conferencing and all that. So we need lights, a lot of lights. And so he found this light that was amazing because it also doubles as a charging station for your phone. So we found two of these up here, and show them, Jay. We found them, and they were like 20 bucks each. So we bought two, and we were able to find these, and they have a nice bright light, but it must plug into an outlet. It cannot plug into the computer or a USB port. The other light that I did find, that's a ring light, that was really good. We found that at Walmart too. That was like $18, but it has to plug into the computer. Okay, so I just realized we just live in the hood though, right? It was so nice when we went in here. They had their own self-service area. It was all cordoned off. Everything was organized and neat. And I was just like, oh, yeah, that's what we do. We live in the hood. Yep. So that's all I want to say. Stay tuned for next time. I'm going to be coming at you with a natural journey blog and a natural lock journey blog in a minute, okay? So stay tuned. See you next time.